Well, the beginning of the morning started pretty uneventful, and then towards mid-morning, things picked up a little bit. Got a tom ready to work and came into the decoy, able to get it on camera, and what an awesome hunt that was. So it feels good to get a bird down, kind of the pressure off, and then I made the decision to get another tag. There's enough birds out in this property. I should be able to get another bird down, maybe two. You're allowed 3 birds here in Nebraska, so we'll see what's happening. Trying to get eyes on them again. Just see if they're making a move anywhere. It wouldn't be bad just to set up on this side of the trees, but their roost trees are clear over east of me. And I'm seeing fresh tracks here, so it's like they already came through probably earlier today. So, take a peek, see what they're doing, make a game plan. Alright, I think I know what I want to do. There's a lot of jakes chasing them toms around. They are showing some aggression, so I think the decoy is going to be the right call. And by judging from the clouds, a blind's going to be the right call. Now it's just a matter if I set up in the right spot. Not sure how this is going to work. Like I said, east of me is a lot of water. And I don't know if they're going to go through that way or not, or if they're going to come through the trees. So just got to kind of make a educated guess and go with my gut. Got a big Quonset right here. I think this would be perfect just to set the blind up against, block that wind a little bit. This dirt lane right here that's just littered with tracks and turkey droppings. I can hear the turkeys right now. My thought is that they're going to come through this junk pile through the trees and come to roost up in these trees and across the way to the south. Now, if you see back behind me, there's the waterway that I was concerned with, and there's cattle out there, and like I said earlier, they don't want to be around the cattle when they're calving, just because they're irritated and have enough going on in their lives. So this is where I think I'm out of everybody's way. I don't think the turkeys are going to go around, and they can see my decoys from a lot of different angles, so this is a good spot. was going for a headshot. Basically put the pin between his eye and his ear hole. And I swear by the footage, that's where I hit him. It looked perfect. He was out here circling. Might have to review that footage and see if there was any... Maybe he's still up. Maybe I just hit his waddle. Jake squad walking through. Goodness, some hens are fired up though. I have somewhat of an idea. Those jakes were standing in one spot for a long time there in the trees. Just wonder if they weren't flogging my tom. I swear that was a good shot. I think it cut him. He was making circles. I'll pack everything up, grab the bow, slip down through the trees. If I have to, put a second shot in him. That was pretty sweet. Might have the second tag in Nebraska field. That'd be something, wouldn't it? So I do want to explain kind of how I set my decoys up, or at least some of the things I take consideration into. I always like to face my strutter or my jake towards the blind, and as everybody will tell you, when another tom or jake confronts the decoy, they always come ahead first. Okay, so that's why he's facing the blind. I've got the breeder hen, DSD, she's facing away. Now, what does a tom do when he comes to a hen that's laying down? He approaches from the back. So when he's facing away from the blind, I can draw and put it right through the back, anchor him right there. Now, like I said, following that same rule of thumb, I've got the jake facing towards the blind, and then I've got just a standing hen, and her only purpose is just to widen the flock, if you will. But that worked. Got set up here by the Quonset, blocked the wind for the most part. That wind is picking up, a storm is rolling through, so I'm gonna make this quick. That's blood right there. Got some blood right in this little speck there. Oh yeah, there's blood right here. Blood right here. That was a perfect shot. That muzzy did work. Goodness. Okay, I'm pretty sure I see my tom right behind this deadfall right here. I can see a wing. Yeah. Oh yeah. That bird's dead, I guarantee it. Safe than sorry. Oh yeah. Yep, he's stoned. Yes, are you kidding me? Oh. Are you kidding me? Look at that. That was a perfect shot. Exactly where I said. Ooh, it's wet. Right behind, oh, sorry. Right behind the ear hole, or right in between the eye and the ear hole. Hit him exactly where I was aiming.